Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is a hearty chicken stew. This is my idea of comfort food. My wife said she'd rather have a cup of hot chocolate. Each their own. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found below. You could of course buy cooked chicken and prepared chicken stock, or you could use that leftover roast chicken you have knocking about the fridge. Simply pick the meat off the carcass, put the meat in a bowl in reserve, put the carcass in a pot, cover with boiling water, bring to the simmer and simmer for half an hour. Job done. To make the stew, in a suitably sized pan, melt the butter and add the cloves of garlic before adding the chopped vegetables. Mix the vegetables through the melted butter before adding the salt and pepper, bay leaves and thyme. Next goes in the reserved chicken. Lastly, fill the pan up with the lovely chicken stock. Next, put a lid on the pan, bring up to the boil, cover and simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes. Serve with nice crusty bread. Hope you liked this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. We'll see you next time.